Stock number 40489Y. It's a 2019 Dodge Ram 1500. Front bumper's no good. Or you can see the front fender's no good. That's damaged. Headlights damaged. Grill's no good. The metal part's no good. The hood's no good. It does have a key. It does not start. Passenger side fender's no good. Rear view mirror's broken. Passenger door's no good. Got a big dent on the bottom down there on the truck bed. The tailgate and the rear bumper's no good. Front fender's got a little bend up here. It does have a key, it does not start. Stock number 40489Y. It's a 2019 Dodge Ram 1500. Does have a key, it does not start.